Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Sei today. So I'm not going in depth on what it is. You can find a lot of reviews on it on the YouTube or any other video or on a Google. But what we are talking about in this video is going to be the latest update on its price action and what is happening and why the token has gone from 16 cent to as high as 23 cent, and it keeps going even when the market is going down, even when the BTC is not doing that good. So let's talk about it. So starting with the news, why the token is going up, I think the news is this one. So basically, the Sei network has been selected by Wyoming Stable Token Commission as a candidate blockchain for WYST. WYST, the first fiat-backed stablecoin issued by the US state and will be deployed using Layer 0 core. Now, there are two blockchains. We have the candidate one is Aptos and the second candidate is Sei. So basically, because of that, the token went up. So if we just look here, this is when token started to go up. So this is exactly when the news dropped and the token is going up and up. So let's see what is happening with the token as of now and whether it can go up higher or not. So this is how its price action looks like as of now. But before that, let's have a look at its ecosystem, its TVL, and why it can actually go up or not. So anyways, so now if we look at the ecosystem or their biggest announcement, which was on May 19th, as you can see here. Basically, the world's fastest EVM blockchain, the first multi-purpose EVM layer 1, 5 giga gas per second, around 200k TPS, which is a massive one. It is 50x faster than the fastest EVM chain, which was Sei version 2. It is called Sei Giga, is an EVM reimagined from the ground up. So basically, they did this announcement, and this happened back in, I believe, on May. Okay, so this is when that announcement happened, and the price of the token did go up. It went from like 21 cent to as high as 25, and after that it saw a massive decline in the price. And after that, they just announced this massive news, and because of that the price has started to go up again. So now if we look at the ecosystem of the Sei, the ecosystem is growing rapidly. So they are having a blast of an ecosystem. So the ecosystem is growing, so that's pretty good overall. And if we just look at the TVL or the DeFi of the Sei itself, as you can see here, it is just going up, unlike the overall DeFi itself. So if you look here, the overall DeFi is going down. This is how it looks like, and this is how the Sei's DeFi looks like. So it's nearly around 500 million, and it seems to be making new highs, and it seems to be going towards a new all-time high as well. And if you look at the token itself, the Sei, the tokens are going down, but the value in the USD is going up. So I think overall that seems to be bullish for the Sei itself, and the DEX volume is going up. So that's, I think, a massive deal, because it seems like that tokens are being traded a lot on the Sei's ecosystem. That means the Sei token is required for the trading, because it is a layer 1 and you do need it for the fees. Now the stablecoin market cap is also going up. So overall everything looks pretty good for the Sei when it comes to its TVL and its DeFi. And if we look at the project's TVL is also going up, most of it. So that's, I think, pretty good. Now coming to the token price itself, there is something that you should know. This is how the so this is the token unlocks for the Sei token itself. It had a max supply of 10 billion, as you can see here, out of which around 5.5 billion is in the circulation. So if you're not staking this token, it is better to stake it, because they are giving because they do have staking rewards, as you can see here. So they have allocated around 1.31 billion to staking rewards. The foundation gets around 900 million. Ecosystem results get around 2.7. Team they have two allocations for the team. The first one is for around 480, which will be unlocked after 5 years, and it will be fully unlocked on the 6 years. And as for the second, they have allocated around 1.52 billion, which I think are in the unlock scale as of now, you can see here. they have around 4 years of unlock, I believe. After that, there is a private sale investors. They get around 2 billion, and there is strategic allocation as well. So I think both of these are the investors. So around 2.3 billion to the investors, airdrop around 300 million, and Binance launch pool around 300 million. So now the most important thing that the sales price is changing a lot, I think, has to do with the investors. So initially the investors did not receive any tokens for 1 year, and after the 1 year, you can see here back in August, they start to receive more their tokens, and as of now they are getting monthly tokens. And the next unlock should be, I think, on August 1st, as you can see here. So now they have already received over 555 million for the private sales, and strategic allocations have received around 91 million, which is a massive supply. And if we look at the sell pressure from the August of 2024, this is, I believe, when it started to happen. So this is when the investors start to get their token. So this is when the investors start to get their token. The price actually went down massively, as you can see. It tanked a lot, so they probably took some initial profit, and the market improved and the Sei started to go up, and it did not actually ended up hitting its all-time high, which was over 1.14 back in 2024 March. So now, as you can see here, due to the monthly unlocks, as the market went down, the price of the Sei itself started to go down rapidly, and I think that has to do with the supply increase and the investors most likely taking the profit. And if we look at the market cap, the Sei's market cap actually ended up hitting new all-time high back in November 2024 or 2024. Yes, you can see around nearly 2.9 billion, which is a lot, and back in March it actually was around 2.7 billion. So it actually ended up hitting new all-time high on the market cap, but sadly, due to the supply increase, the price did not go up that much. So now, as of now, they do have monthly unlock, so that means it will put a lot of stress on Sei's price. Even if the market cap goes up, the price of the Sei will most likely go down eventually. I think it will continue to do so till 2027, or when they receive their all tokens around 2027. Yes. So now, considering these unlocks, that doesn't mean that the price won't go up as of now. It will just put a lot of stress because of the sell pressure, and the price will struggle whenever it hits new high. But as of now, it has to break this high of around 27 cents. So this is something it needs to break if it wants to go higher. As of now, I think there will be a lot of sellers waiting to sell the token around 27 cents. Looking at the market conditions, if the market doesn't improve, I think we will go down once it comes near around 27 cents. And if the market improves and Bitcoin goes up, it can actually go even higher than this one. So if it goes above this level, which is going to be around 27 to 29, you can see here, I think it can go even higher than that. So if we are able to break this level, we can actually push even higher. So if it does go above this level, we could actually be heading towards like 50 cent or even 40 cent is a possibility. And after that, I think the token will most likely continue to go down. But if the announcement and if the Sei network gets selected for the WYST, the token could even go higher. So that is also that. So I think overall they have been building a lot, so their ecosystem is growing. But I think this supply increase will put a lot of stress on the price, but that doesn't mean that the token will go down. Looking at its market cap, there is a demand for the Sei token itself. So as long as the demand starts to go up, it should actually match the supply, and the price should go up eventually if there is a demand. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.